Boys and girls, tonight we're going to do all 8 questions because you have been doing so awesome. Question 1. Taylor rolls 2 dice. How many dice?
2
dice. The sum of the dice is between 9 and 12. Draw how the dots could look on the dice below. Hint, the sum is the answer to an addition problem. So what you're going to do is you're going to think of a number between 9 and 12, and you're going to make that number on the dice. Would the number 5 work?
Yes. No.
No, because the number 5 is not between 9 and 12. Would the number 11 work?
Yes.
Yes, it would, because the number 11 is between 9 and 12, and you're going to just do your dots.
10 would work.
Number 10 would work. Number 9 would work. 10 would work. 11 would work, or 12 would work. Number 2. What are the next numbers you could say if you counted forward from the number below? What number is that, boys and girls?
101.
101. When we're counting forward, do our numbers go bigger or smaller? Bigger. So we're going to go bigger. 101, 102. You can do the rest by yourself. What are the next numbers you would say if you counted backward from the number below? What number do we have?
113.
113. If I'm going backwards, are my numbers going bigger or smaller?
Smelly.
So it'd be 113, 112. Number 3. Draw lines to divide each shape into 4 equal parts. Shade 1/4 of each shape. I'm going to do the first one for you just so you could see how it works.
Shade it? What does that mean?
So I'm going to take my shape and I'm going to divide it into 4 equal parts. That means you're drawing 2 long lines. 1 vertical usually and 1 horizontal. You also could do 2 diagonals. Then I'm going to say, okay, are all my pieces looking the same? Yes, so I'm going to shade. Shade means to color in one of the 4 parts. Do you see how I colored in one of the 4 parts?
Yes.
Could you do that with circle?
Yes.
Could you do that with rectangle?
Yes.
Number 4. Draw a ring around the set of coins that has the same value as 1 quarter. Boys and girls, what is the value of a quarter?
25 cents.
25 cents. So you're going to see.
That means it's 2 tens and 5 ones.
So you think maybe 2 tens and 5 ones. So is this 2 tens and 5 ones?
No.
No. Is this 2 tens and 5 ones?
No.
Is this 2 tens and 5 ones? Is this 2 tens and 5 ones?
No.
So maybe it's done another way. So we can count the money. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. Is that the same as a quarter?
Yes.
Yes, so you could circle it. Make sure you count all of them. There might be more than one correct answer. Number 5. The PE coach made a bar-type graph of students' favorite sports teams. Which team is liked least? Boys and girls, what does least mean?
The small.
The smallest number. Is it the Texans, the Rockets, or the Astros?
Astro.
You're going to write the word right here. Boys and girls, this is a fake graph. You could still like the Astros more. It's okay. Number 6. Spencer made a bar-type graph of his friend's favorite snow cone flavors. Which flavor has the same number of votes as cherry cola. If I'm saying the same, I know they are what word?
Equal.
Equal. So I'm going to look for cherry cola and figure out which one is equal to cherry cola. Number 7. Muriel goes to a video game arcade.
Oh, who's Muriel?
The picture graph shows the number of tokens needed for 3 games. Muriel plays whack-a-mole twice. How many tokens did she use?
3. 4.
You're going to see whack-a-mole, Pac-Man, skee-ball. I need to play whack-a-mole. How many? Then she does it 2 times. It's an addition problem as well, boys and girls.
I don't know it either.
So I'm going to help you with this one because we've never seen this like this. So Muriel plays whack-a-mole twice. So each time she plays whack-a-mole, how many coins does she use?
1.
Let's count. 4. How many times does she use it?
1 time.
It says twice. 2. So you're going to say 4 plus 4. I'm going to let you solve that at home. Number 8. Alexander has a piggy bank. The picture graph shows the coins in Alexander's piggy bank. How many total coins are in Alexander's piggy bank? What does total mean? Everyone?
The same.
Not the same. Total means in
Equal.
all. Total means in all. So you're going to count all the coins. Do you see how to do that? Give me a thumbs up if you understand all 8 questions tonight. Good job, boys and girls.